What business can I start with 1000 naira in Nigeria? In this video, I am going to show you the particular business you can start with just 1000 naira in Nigeria and make a decent income from this particular business. Right, so follow me all the way to the end of this video while I show you the particular business model you can start with just 1000 naira. Right, so this is the particular website we are going to use to start our business with just 1000 naira. So the first thing you need to do is to go down to the video description and click the first link in the video description. Create your account on this particular website and ensure you verify your email address after creating your account. Right, so once you have successfully created your account and verified your email address, the first thing you need to do is to go to deposits. This is the deposit section. Go to deposit section and deposit at least 1000 naira into this account. Right, so what we are going to be doing on this particular website is to buy and sell data bundles and subscribe GoTV channels. Right, so that is basically what we are going to be doing on this particular website. Right, and as you already know, the demand for data and GoTV subscription is going higher every single day. Right, so this is the opportunity you have to go into this business right now and make your free cash for this particular business. So once you have deposited money in your account on this particular website, you can now start telling your friends that you sell data and you also subscribe GoTV cables. Right, so once you get an order, once people tell you to sell data to them or to subscribe their GoTV cables, collect the money from them. Right, collect the money from them, but before that you need to come here. Before you sell any data, whether MTN, Glo, Airtel, right, you come to data bundles right here. Click on data bundles, then you check the prices there. Right, check the prices for MTN, check the prices for Glo, check the prices for Airtel, and so on. Right, so the same thing applies to GoTV subscription. So the same thing applies to GoTV subscription. So this is cable TV subscription. If you want to subscribe GoTV, just come here and check the prices before you collect the money from them. Right, so once you see the actual price, you now add your own profit. Right, so that is how you can actually do this particular business. Right, so that is how you can actually start a business in Nigeria with just 1000 naira. Right, now the most interesting part of this is that you can still start this business with zero capital. Now, how do I mean? Once you create your account, you can get an order first. Right, like if you get someone that wants to buy data plan, you collect the money from that person. Right, once the person gives you the money to sell data to him or her, you can now go ahead and fund your account on this particular website from this deposit section. As you can see, if you do either way, you will see that you did not start this business with any capital. I don't know if this is making sense. So if you are still looking for a side hustle income, you can start in Nigeria with just 1000 naira or even zero capital. This is a very good business model to go into right now and start doing the business. Get people to buy from you and you make your sales every single day. Right, so that is as simple as ABC. Now let me give you tips on how you can actually get people to patronize your business. You have a WhatsApp already, you have a WhatsApp application, and you have contacts on your phone. Right, now each of your contacts uses data bundle to browse the internet every single day. Right, so this is the opportunity you have to get them as your customers. Right, get them as your customers and start selling data bundles to them, and also get them to patronize your GoTV subscription or service. So it is as simple as ABC. So guys, as you have seen, this business is very simple to start, right? It is very simple to start. You can start with zero capital, and you can also start with the minimum of 1,000 naira. So it all depends on you. How you want to start your own depends on you. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever I make more videos like this, you will be the first to get notified by YouTube.